Good morning, listeners, and welcome to the Trade Talk podcast. Monday was a particularly special day for Indian markets where we saw gains of 225 points for the Nifty and 765 points for the Sensex. FIs bought around 1200 crores after almost 9 days, and domestic institutions also invested around rupees 700 crores. If there had been a little more time, the Nifty would have hit the levels of 17,000 on Monday. The Nifty rose by nearly 225 points on broad-based participation and strong support from heavyweights. All sectors except Nifty IT closed above the positive line. The Bank Nifty closed above the levels of 36,300 after the period of 6 months. Today, or in next few days, the Nifty would move to the levels of 17,050. However, for that we need further more support from financials, telecom and metal companies. The earlier resistance 16,700, 16,720 would be a major support for the market, and the strategy should be to buy at every minor and at major support of the market. So support exists at 16,850 and at 16,700 levels, where we should look for adding some long position if there is any correction or dip during the day or in next 1 or 2 days of time. Sectors to watch out for would be auto, financials, power generation companies and select cement metal companies. We are specifically bullish on as SBI, ICICI Bank, Bajaj Auto, Escorts. These are the stocks where certainly we should look for taking some trading positions. From the power generation companies, we are bullish on Tata Power as well as Adani Power, Torrent Power, and if we go through with cement and metal companies, then there we like Ultratech Cement, ACC for taking trading bets, and also Nalco and Steel Authority along with Tata Steel. Today's spotlight would be India's GDP for quarter ended June 2021. Estimated figures are close to 21%. If we consider the prior, I mean to say year on year basis, then it was 1.6%. So certainly it will be in the spotlight, and which will come at 5:30 today. Second spotlight would be India's Power Ministry will issue a statutory order allowing plants run by Tata Power Company and Adani Power at Mundra in western Indian state of Gujarat to sell electricity on power exchanges for a month. This particular news reported by Economic Times, and it is certainly positive for Tata Power as well as Adani Power. Globally, most Asian indices dipped as traders assessed weaker economic activity in China and the latest escalation in Beijing's crackdown on private industries. In the latest US data, pending home sales fell in July. Traders are awaiting key payrolls figures on Friday for further guidance on the economy's strength. Broadly, today global markets are little down. Singapore Nifty is following to the same, and yesterday we saw maximum retracement in the short term. So we may see some correction in the first half, but 16,850 should act as very good support for the market, and the strategy should be to look for adding long position if there is any correction. And if we see the market is moving towards 17,000 or 17,050, then there we should look for taking some profit on long positions, or one can reduce leverage long positions. That's all from my side for the day. With this, we are ending today's morning podcast. Thank you very much for listening in, and have a great day to all of you.